Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Divya, and in today's video we are going to talk about makeup essentials which we need to have to create a no makeup look whenever we are going out. It is also for beginners, like those who don't know how to do makeup. They can do minimum things necessary to look good, as well as it will not look like you have done lots of makeup. We have to do the makeup in your face, obviously. So we'll start from the top. Moving from here, we have our eyebrows. So for eyebrows pencil is a must. If you're not doing any makeup and you want to go out, you can just use an eyebrow pencil and you can go. So it is the most important thing you can say, just to give a shape to your face. So eyebrow pencil is a must, and most of the girls, those who don't put makeup, they obviously use a eyeliner. That is sure. Those who do nothing but they use a eyeliner and a lipstick. It's a must. So an eyeliner and lipstick is a must. So some days eyeliner shows that you have done a makeup product has been used on your eyes. So I would recommend to use a mascara instead of eyeliner. That makes your eyes look really beautiful with giving you some natural touch. Okay, so with the one would be eyebrow pencil and other would be mascara, and eyeliner is a must, so you must be having that. So you can use that according to your wish, and you can see, like, there are people, some who like putting eyeliner every day, some are like they don't want to put it every day. And if you can create some good winged eyeliner or something like that, so that would be too helpful to create a look for that. And for base, I will talk that you don't need to have a primer and then a foundation and each and everything of different shades to paint your face out. You just need to have a concealer. A concealer will do its work, because everybody has some black areas, like some dark areas, not black. Basically it's like some dark areas on your face, like somebody has some under eye issue, somebody has it near their mouth. So concealer is the best thing, and these things are also helpful to do a quick makeup as well. Quick, easy, no makeup look, beginners look, you can call it anything. So you can use concealer. If you take your face first, make it clean it with a face wash or whatever if you use some natural remedy, whatever you wish, just clean your face, and then you can put concealer. And before that, if you're going out, sunscreen is a must. You must apply, you can keep it as a medicine also. If you're going out, this is must. This should be there on your face, because it is not like it will protect you from tanning only. It protects from every harmful radiation which comes from sun. So you need to apply this first, and before that you can go with your moisturizer, your daily moisturizer, whichever you like, and then you can apply the sunscreen. After sunscreen, you can apply concealer. After applying concealer, you can blend it with a blender. You should have these things, basic things I'm telling. So if you have these things, then you are good to do your daily casual makeup look. And even there are people who don't like doing lots of makeup, and it is not possible to do it every day, even if you are in a hurry. These are the basic things which you can do, look good, and as well as it would be no makeup look. And so sunscreen, concealer, then blend your concealer with this blender, and then apply a face powder matching to your skin tone. That is a must. You cannot apply any powder. Just apply a compact powder matching to your skin tone on your areas which have pigmentation, and also to the areas which get sweaty while in summers, while you are out, these areas under nose, side of nose. So you can apply this powder at those areas and in your neck as well. So it is if you don't want to apply anything, then also you can apply this powder only without concealer. So it covers those dark area very easily. The tone which matches your skin is more important to apply. And apart from this, we talked about eyes, eyebrow, and mascara is a must. And if you want to apply eyeliner, so I would recommend you, if you don't have eyeliner, if you're thinking to buy one, so go for this Lakme eyeliner. It's good and it lasts so super long. Like on your eyes as well as on this bottle, you can like it will go for a year or so. Like you'll not remember how long you have been using this. Okay, so these are the basic things which you need to have while doing your makeup, basic makeup or no makeup. And apart from this, I would love to talk about lipsticks. So lipsticks, I would surely recommend go for Just Herbs Trial Pack lipstick. It has 16 shades and all shades are useful. They are basically nude shades, and some are dark, some are nude, and all the shades go very well with Indian skin tone. So it has 16 shades and they are so small, like this is the size, you can see. This would be the lipstick. So everybody knows, no, even if you use a lipstick daily, it will not end in a year. That is guaranteed. And like at times it expires, so that is your favorite shade, but it is expired, so you cannot use it. So instead of going for those, like as well as they are too pricey and they don't get over, and you keep on using them, and sometimes it's like they get expired, but you don't have time to like look at them, or you forget to look at them, and you're using the same shade like for many days, even if they have expired. So stop doing that, and I would recommend to go for this costs around 600. You'll get 16 shades and all are useful shades, and you can apply them, and it's handy. Like I have kept it in a box. It comes in a like small paper bag, so keeping in that bag again and again is not too easy. So I have kept it in this small box. All the 16 shades are here, and they are handy. You can keep it in your bag, like when you are traveling, or even you can keep 1 or 2 shades which you have applied for that day. So this is too easy to carry, too usable, and actually you'll use things. You'll not throw it when it get expires, because it comes in 2 small sizes, and those sizes are perfect for a year. And like there are 16 shades. So, and most of all, it is herbal, so you'll not have any chemical products used in it. So you should go for this, I would recommend. Apart from this, I have like you should have few shades, because the shades available in this are basically nude shades. Some are dark but not too dark, and since they're herbal, so they don't last for too long. Like they'll last for 4-5 hours is like maximum. If you have if you have eaten something, if you have had your food, then maybe it can come out. That depends from person to person. So apart from that, you can have a dark and a nude shade. One a dark for a party purpose, and a nude type of shade just to go for like your daily look. And with this lipstick, I would like to tell you a story. You can see this, so small, huh? It has, like, I've used it a lot. So this is a story about a lipstick which I bought. I bought a nude shade online. Okay, because I wanted to try a nude shade on my face. I was not having any nude shade. I only used like a red or some like wine colors and burgundy colors and all, brown shades and all. So I just bought a nude shade. Like looking to the shade, it looks like it would suit my face. But when it came and I applied it, I was looking like a monkey. Literally, I was looking like a monkey. So that shade was too light for my face, and it was a pricey one. So I didn't want it to like throw it or just like give it to anybody, because every Indian tone will, maybe like my relatives, I'll give it to my relatives, and they all have similar skin tone to similar to mine skin tone. So that would also not look good on them as well. So there's no use of giving somebody something which they don't use. So that was lying in my makeup kit, and I thought that how should I use it. Then I had a very dark color lying in my makeup kit also. Like that was too dark. to be used regularly, since like something like similar towards, like if it's like if you apply a lot of it, it would look like dark black or brown, ekdam dark shade wala. So I just thought that idea just clicked my mind, because since I'm not using this too dark color all the time, and this nude color is of no use to me, so I just mixed both of those colors and created a color which is like nude for me. It is something in brown, but when you apply it, it's similar to my lip color and it treats me as a nude color. So I was too happy after making this, and the process of making that is too easy. So I would, if you comment me down, and if you want, I'll surely share the like how you can make, like mix two lipsticks and make a shade which suits your skin. So thanks for watching this video, and surely comment down below and let me know your thoughts if this video helped you. Thank you.